What is the function of bile salt in the digestion and absorption of fat? You see, our liver is making almost 6 grams of bile salt a day. How is the bile salt produced? From cholesterol. We have heard of cholesterol. This cholesterol is first of all converted into cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid. And these acids are then combined with the glycine and taurine. Glycine is an amino acid. So these acids combined with this glycine and taurine, we say either glycine or taurine, forming glycoconjugated acid and tauroconjugated acid, which means glycocholic acid, glycochenodeoxycholic acid, taurocholic acid and taurochenodeoxycholic acid. These are the acids, these are the acids produced. Then these conjugated acids combine with the sodium salt and we call them bile salt. I hope you understood the difference between bile acid and bile salt. The 4 types of bile acids are there. They combine with the sodium, producing sodium salt of the bile acid. Now, these bile salts have 2 important actions in the alimentary canal regarding digestion and absorption of lipids. Point 1. These bile salts are acting as a detergent. Detergent means what? Have you heard of detergent? നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ വീട്ടിൽ സോപ്പ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുണ്ട്. കുളിക്കുമ്പോഴും തുണി കഴുകുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ സോപ്പ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. ആ സോപ്പ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ക്ലോത്തിലെ അഴുക്കിനെ അവിടെ നീക്കിക്കളയും. How is it taking place? അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു സോപ്പാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ bile salt എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So this bile salt have a detergent action. How? This bile salt is decreasing the surface tension of the particles. And again, it will lead to agitation of these lipid particles in the intestinal tract. Agitation means they are mixing down very well, just like a mixie. And this process breaks the larger fat globules into smaller ones. So first of all, the surface tension of the particles is reduced. Thereafter, these lipid drops are agitated so that the larger drops are broken down into smaller droplets, and this process is called emulsification. You have heard of that word earlier, emulsification. And once it is emulsified, bile salts have one more function. You know that the lipid is digested into fatty acids, monoglycerides, etc. How? By the action of lipase. So the products of digestion called fatty acids, monoglycerides, then cholesterol, other lipids, etc. should be absorbed from the alimentary canal into the lactea. So without the bile salt, this absorption cannot take place. How? These bile salts are coating with the lipid droplets. You know that the bile salts are actually polar in nature. So they can interact with aqueous medium on one side and hydrophobic medium on the other side. So the hydrophobic part of this bile salt interact with the lipids so that their hydrophilic part is exposed outside. This complex is called micelle. So micelles basically consist of lipids being coated with the bile salt. Now they are semi-soluble in the fluid of the alimentary canal. Then these micelles are ferried or transported towards the intestinal mucosa where the absorption is taking place. Remember, if the bile salts are not present in the alimentary canal, absorption of the digested lipid or ingested lipid may be reduced by around 40%, and this much of the lipid may be lost in the feces. You might have heard of it. It's a problem called steatorrhea, loss of lipids in the feces. So no bile salt means no digestion and absorption of lipids. And remember, bile salts are produced from cholesterol. We found it just now. And these bile salts are mostly reabsorbed from the alimentary canal. They are reabsorbed in the alimentary canal, and only a small part of this bile salt is lost in the feces. Very small part is lost in the feces.